Local news for Monday the 22nd of July. The Greater Wellington Regional Council is urging people to make a stand for their region by securing nominations as candidates in October's local body elections. Nominations are now open and close at 12 noon on the 16th of August. Regional councillors are at the forefront of change on key subjects such as delivering the likes of public transport, protecting and enhancing the environment, water quality and managing flood protection. A busy month in June for Wairarapa real estate agents. There were 27 sales in southern Wairarapa, 29 in Carterton and 60 in Masterton. And new students will be welcome with the pōwhiri and mihi whakatau this week at UCOL Wairarapa as part of their reorientation activities to help students settle back into UCOL life. Wairarapa's Orientation Day will take place on Wednesday, along with games and the opportunity for staff and students to paint a new sign for the campus hub. And in sport and club rugby, the 2019 Tui Cup finalists have been found. Martha will play defending champions Gladstone, with Martha beating Greytown 15-10 on Saturday, while Gladstone beat Ikitahuna in their semi 28 points to 12.